Good morning.
Good morning.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Nice to have you here. Every day we get less people because people get more tired. But that's why I'm here, to give you more energy, also be more grounded, more connected. And what we're going to do today is really to align with our heart, to really open this energy, because there's so much blockages and we hold on to so many things, especially in the chest. And we're going to practice pranayama, breathwork techniques, to really open up and be more in the flow, be more energized, happy, in balance. We will start with a short warm-up, just to get the energies moving, the blood moving, to be more in the body first. And then we do some short meditation, then we start with the breathwork, and we end with a short meditation afterwards. Whole session will be around 1 hour. Okay? We can stand up. Okay, then place your fingers on your shoulders, take them backwards, and try to breathe in and out through the nose. You can already try to align the movements, the body, with the breath. And forward. And then we bring opposite elbow to opposite knee, and we breathe out through the nose, like we blow out a candle. And relax. For the next one, we need a little bit space. Feet shoulder width apart. Raise your arms. Inhale, turn to the left. Exhale to the right. Not too fast, just follow along with your breath, okay? In your own rhythm. In to the left, out to the right. Bring some nice movement into the spine, some stretch in the shoulders. And then release. Inhale, exhale. Again, inhale, arms up. Then you start inhale to the right and out to the left. Okay, release. Next one, I show you once, and then I will go down to close the door because it's a bit loud. We inhale, arm up, come into a stretch, holding the breath, and then exhale, arm down. Inhale, other arm. Stretch, hold, and out. Okay, can release. Then we come into horse stance, feet maybe about 1 meter apart. Come into a squat, pelvic tilt forward slightly, arms up, and focus on your breath. Enjoy the practice, we only hold for 10 minutes. No.
I'm like, no, it's not.
5 more breaths, okay? Then inhale, come up, toes pointing forward. Bring your arms behind your back, chest out, pinch your shoulder blades. We come into a forward bend. Inhale, exhale, slowly come down. Only as far as you can. Activate your hamstrings. Chest is pushing down. Hands are pulling up. You can focus on your forehead. Breathe into your third eye area. One more breath, then with the next inhalation, slowly come up. And then with the exhalation, release behind your back, lower back. Then again, bring your hands together, pinch your shoulder blades, chest out. You can open the hands like this, or palms together. And then rotate one side. Can be small circles. Just for breathing, to create some space in the lungs, the chest, the neck, shoulders. And the other side. And release. Shake out the arms. And then we clap our whole body just to get really awake. We start with our leg. Open up all the nadis, energy channels. Knee down to the foot. Raise your foot underneath your sole, your heels. Then all the way up again to the other leg. Underneath the foot. All the way up. Your waist, around your bladder, sitting muscles, lower back, along the spine, on the sides, rib cage. And come up to the upper back. Try to reach from all sides. The belly area, chest. The left armpit. Outside of the left arm. Flip the hand inside. Other side, armpit. It's very good for the lymphatic system. Turn around. We have to feel to heal. Shoulders. Neck area, throat, the face, especially the cheeks and the jaw, around the temples, ears, skull, forehead. And then at the end, slightly bend your knees. Be careful, don't bite in your tongue, and then you tap from above and from behind. Okay, we can sit down. Sit down, sit comfortably, close your eyes. Keep your spine straight, rest of the body relaxed. Imagine a small hook on the top part of your head, pulling you up slightly. Here's some tissues if you need later, if you need to cry or sneeze. And just for a moment, be aware of your body, the weight on your shoulders, your sitting muscles. And with your awareness, follow your breath. Observe your breathing. How does the breath feel right now? Are you excited, stressed, or maybe more calm, peaceful? To breathe more in the chest, or do you use also your belly and your diaphragm? Just be aware. Is there a change of temperature in the nostrils during the in and exhalation? And tune in, just try for a moment to feel your state of being. And remember how you feel right now. And then you can compare later, after the session, what has changed. And maybe you have some intention for yourself for this last few days of the WEF. Why you're here? Is there something you would like to receive, something you would like to share, or to connect with people? Whatever it is, just choose one intention and keep it with you during the session. I'm going to guide you and help you to bring this intention, this desire in the here and now, so we can also live more in being fulfilled and not in a state of living in lack. Just by allowing ourselves to use the body, the mind, the breath, consciousness. And I want you now to breathe in for 5 seconds and breathe out for 5. After the in and exhalation, you can have a small pause, half a second, 1 second. Really align with this rhythm, 5 in and 5 out. And doing the breathing, bring your awareness more to the chest area, the heart center. We're not speaking about the physical heart, speak about the Anahata chakra, the heart center aligned along your spine, in your chest area. Just breathe a few more times, 5 seconds in and 5 seconds out. And now without breathing, without counting, you just continue breathing like this into your heart space. Just for a moment, feel your chest area, the clothes you're wearing, the skin on your chest. And bring the awareness to your heart center. Breathe into this area. Try to feel. And there's no right or wrong. Everything is perfect, fine. For a moment, remember a person in your life. You have lots of appreciation, lots of gratitude. Who is this person? How does he or she look like? Try to envision this person with the eye of your heart. And remember all the good qualities, the values, the principles, everything they share with you in life. Try to really feel from your heart space this appreciation and gratitude. Now, without thinking about this person, just for a moment stay with this appreciation and open your heart more and more. And try during the session to stay with your heart center. I compare the heart to the lotus, a white, beautiful, open lotus flower. And you're right in the middle of it, a very inviting, relaxing, soft, beautiful lotus. You just relax into your heart space. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, slowly open your eyes. We're going to do 3 rounds now of Chit, Shakti, Prakriya Pranayama. Chit means awareness, consciousness, knowledge. Shakti, energy, power, strength. And Prakriya comes from Kriya, from activity, performance, ritual. So it's a very energy, awareness, awakening, breathing. But it's more than that. It really opens up the energy channels, the nadis, especially in the heart area. Frees the chest so the prana can really flow. And the mistake is then we just do the breathing and then we start the day. But the point is to go after that very deep and to let the breath settle The practice is we inhale, belly chest, arms up. Just show you for a moment. I'm going to do 30 breaths. If you're pregnant more than 4 months, I don't think you are, or have problems with high blood pressure, then please let me know, or just do the technique very gently. Otherwise, it's completely safe and fine. And we do 30 breaths. I will guide you through. And at the last inhalation, you inhale fully. You hold the breath, and if you're familiar with the Mula Bandha, it's the root lock. You can squeeze your perineum muscle, yeah, and you focus so the energy flows up. You hold for maybe 10, 15 seconds, as long as you comfortably can. We don't need to hold too long. We don't want to create more tension, we want to relax. Yeah. And then after that, you exhale slowly and release the arms back to your knees. And then we're going to do 2 more rounds of that, okay? You can observe me in the first one if you like, to get familiar with, but it helps if the eyes are closed, to come more within.
And you said 30.
30. I will let you know when I will say the last 2 and then,
Okay.
yeah. Okay, inhale, exhale. Inhale, arms up. And go. And make use of each breath. Open up and letting go. Gonna do 15 more. Last 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Fully arms up. Squeeze the perineum. Hold the breath. Focus on your third eye, the point between the eyebrows. And just enjoy the breath hold, only for as long as you comfortably can. And then you feel the urge to breathe, you exhale, you release. Try to keep your eyes closed and for a moment feel the opening in your chest, your arms, the blood flow, the energy moving. And focus on your breath. Try with each in and out breathing that to slow down the breathing, to find your own rhythm. And I forgot to mention during the practice, if you have some topic in your life, some habits, there's something disturbs you at the moment, or maybe some quarrel with a loved one, you can also focus on your heart center and just breathe it out with each exhalation. At the end of the practice, we're going to do also a heart cleansing breath. So if there's something in your life you would like to let go, then try to bring it within the session. Okay, round number 2. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, arms up. And go. And stay connected with your heart center as you breathe. Open up for the prana field and letting go with each exhalation. Open up and free yourself. Wonderful. 15 more. If at any point you feel dizzy, you just take it slow. You can also stop. Just take it easy. 5 more. Inhale, arms up and hold. When you feel the urge to breathe, exhale. And again, for a moment, feel your body, the energy moving. Maybe the mind is already more calm. Keep your spine straight, rest of the body relaxed. And please don't forget to smile. Try to find your own breathing rhythm. Slow down. And as we do round number 3, we're going to do 30 breaths and then 5 additional breaths, but we inhale slowly and out through the mouth, just let it out. And we're using our arms, like very slow movements. And then after that, we do 10 breaths. I will guide you through, in through the nose and letting everything out. That's very releasing, very good for the heart. Just, like I mentioned, everything what is on your chest, just let it go today. Okay, inhale, exhale. Inhale, arms up. And go. Ten more. And very slow and controlled. Like you really mean it. One more. Inhale, arms up. And hold. And release whenever you feel the urge to breathe again. And relax your body. And feel. Feel your chest area, your heartbeat. And bring the awareness to the chest. And try to feel your heart center. Maybe there's some tingling, some warmth, some pressure. Maybe there's nothing. It's all good. Just try to consciously enter into that sacred space. Now we take 10 breaths together and try to let really go. And the last 3 breaths we even shake our body. I have my eyes closed, don't worry, nobody will see you, you're not on camera. Just really shake your head, your arms, as much and as long as you can. You breathe out loud and long, and it's very relieving. Okay, first we start 7 breaths, normal, out to the mouth. Inhale. Just allow yourself to let it go. Like you really, really mean it. You can also move your arms. And last 3, really shake it out. Wonderful. Two more. And one more. Going crazy. And relax. And feel your body. Allow yourself to be with yourself in a safe space here. And bring your awareness to the breath. Just observe the breath. And with each in and exhalation, you make your breath more soft and more calm. The mind and the breath, they're both connected. The slower you breathe, the more calm you breathe, the more calm and relaxed your mind will be, also your body. Feel more energized, prana is flowing through your system, feel more grounded and in harmony. Actually, you can also sit on a chair if it helps, as you like. And try to slow down the breathing even more. With each in and exhalation, the breath will be more slow and more calm, till you almost come to a point where you don't breathe anymore, feels like, but there's enough oxygen saturation, enough life force inside and around. So allow yourself to completely slow down. And now let go of the breath completely. Just observe the breath without any effort. Just any normal day in your life. Become the witness, the observer. Letting go of the breath. Let life, the breath, happen by itself. And just for a moment try to feel and listen to my words. Try to feel with your heart that you're not this body, that you're not the voice inside, Because you can listen to your thoughts, you can hear and see your thoughts, your feelings. If I ask you now, are you in there? What would you say? The consciousness within, having a body, having a mind. We are eternal living beings full of consciousness, knowledge and bliss, full of love. Then bring your awareness back to the breathing. You can breathe more deeper. Belly, diaphragm, chest. And when you're ready, take another deep breath in, and then slowly exhale and gently open your eyes. We're going to do one more practice called Brahmari. Brahmari means the bumblebee or the bee. It's a humming breath. It's very healing for the respiratory system, the nervous system, but also for our mind. It can help you to go very deep into meditation. It's my favorite practice I do every day, more than once, because it really helps you to be fully there with yourself, with divinity. And the breathing goes like we place our tongue on the upper palate. We create the sound of M, but constant. I meditate about Om, but the sound should not be up and down, like a constant sound of This one is great for a meditation practice, right? I like it. But that's not all. This would be the simple version, what is already effective, but I would like to bring you even deeper, to really withdraw from the outside and to go deeply within. First look and listen, otherwise you can't see and hear me. One more thing, the pressure of the tongue regulates the vibration in the brain. It shouldn't be too much, too low, you should find the soft spot. Yeah. I'm not in your brain, so you have to figure it out. You will feel it. With the forefinger, middle finger, we close our eyes. I just slide the eyelids down, no pressure, just slightly. With the ring finger, we can put in the nostril. When we inhale, we don't close the nostril. With the exhalation, you could close it slightly, so you can exhale longer, but you don't need to. And the pinky finger is on the upper lip, looks like this. And most important, the ear, the auricle is closed fully. And here you can put some pressure. You want to make sure to not hear anything. So during the practice, I will not hear you humming. You will not hear me. Yeah. You'll be fully in and aware, and you can focus on the point between the eyebrows. Just deeply look within yourself. Yeah. It's very opening. I show you one breath. Already blissed out of the one. Also, when you have no air in the lungs, don't force it. Yeah. We want to breathe as long as possible, but with no force. We want to create peace and harmony. And then you just stop, and you keep the eyes closed during the practice. Then you take another breath in and hum. We're going to do 10 breaths. It's very difficult usually for people to count to 10. But I think you guys, you can do it. I have sometimes people, they just continue, but it's okay, don't worry. If someone continues, then you just wait and start again. Can be 9 breaths, 10 breaths, 11, doesn't matter. It also helps to keep the arms up, then the chest is more open, you have more volume to breathe, but might get heavy, so you just lower it if it gets heavy. Okay, just recap, tongue on the palate, little pressure on the tongue, focus on the third eye, sound of M, close the eyes and the ears. You do 10 breaths on your own, and then please keep the eyes closed after the end of the session, till the end. Okay, inhale, exhale, and then we start. 10 breaths on your own. See you on the other side. And just listen to the stillness within. And with your inner eye in front of you, there are 5 whitish, beautiful stairs emanating white light all the way to the lotus of your heart. And you just see these 5 steps. You see your feet and you feel your feet. And you approach step number 5. And you see, feel step number 5. Knowing you're on the way to enter into the lotus of your heart. Connect with your highest self as you step onto step number 4. Maybe you're getting a little bit excited as you approach step number 3. Feel and see your feet and approach number 2. Right in front of you, your beautiful lotus in your heart. And as you approach step number 1, you immediately enter the lotus. And make yourself comfortable within this lotus, knowing that you're in a sacred space full of love and light and harmony. And I want you now to remember an experience in your life where you experienced the greatest joy. What was your number 1? And whatever it is, just try to see it with your inner eye in the form of a picture, while you're alone or with friends, nature, inside. Try to make it alive, make it vivid. And not just seeing the experience, try now to feel the experience. How did you feel at this very special moment? Try to remember the feeling and allow your heart to feel, your body to feel it. And past and future are just concepts. That's only the here and now. And feel some gratitude towards this experience. That God allowed you to have such a special moment in your life. And you're able to feel it again in this very moment. We just kind of time traveled into the past. Now we're using the energy of the future, and you take your intention for the next few days. And why are you here? What is the outcome you desire? And just for a moment, visualize yourself. How would you look like after the wave? What you would like to be? How would you like to feel? And also make this picture very alive, very vivid, with colors, with people, sounds. Now try to feel in the here and now. How would you feel if it is already achieved. Feel the gratitude. Desire, usually we lacking something, means we're not complete. And this desire will never fulfill you. But you have now the possibility to feel it in the now. No matter what happens, doesn't matter, because you're already grateful and harmony in the here and now. And most important part, align your desire with God, with divinity, to letting go, expressing your desire, but at the same time, give it to some higher power. If it aligns with your purpose, if it's meant for you, then it will happen anyways. And try to let go. And just stay with the feeling of gratitude. As you inhale, you expand your heart, the heart center, and as you exhale, you move the energy, breathe into the body. In through the heart and out through the body. Just expand the energy from within into your whole body. Try to feel all the muscles, the bones, the joints, tissues, ligaments. As you inhale, the prana flows like molten gold from your heart with the exhalation into your body. Just feel and expand the awareness. And now also feel all your cells, like the sun is illuminating the whole universe with light, with energy. The same way the consciousness, you, the soul within, pervades this whole body with consciousness, with energy. Allow yourself to feel yourself in all your cells, your whole system. And you inhale in through the heart and you expand this energy all around you, in your energetic field, in your aura. Don't forget to smile. Like you're in a sacred shell, you protect yourself, surrounded with the prana field. And knowing you're completely safe. Try to feel, how would you feel safe? There's nothing you need to achieve. All your needs met in peace and harmony. Just for a moment try to resonate safety, fulfillment and peace. And then bring the awareness back to the center of your heart, sitting in your lotus. And now we express our gratitude towards divinity by chanting a special mantra called Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Means supreme consciousness, divinity is everywhere pervading, and we offer our respect. So we inhale in through the nose and recite after me. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Just express your gratitude. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. One more time. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Keep your eyes closed, please. Rub your hands together. Make them nice warm. And place them over your eyelids and over your forehead. And just look within yourself. Align your body, your mind, spirit. And still keep the eyes closed. Start massaging your eyelids and your forehead, your skull, around the temples, your ears. You can also pull your earlobes, massage your cheeks, your jawline, neck area, shoulders, the upper back, the lower back, along the spine. Just massage each point. On the side, the rib cage, the chest, abdominal area. Under your armpits, start with one arm, then the upper arm, inside, outside, your elbow, lower arm, your wrist, your hand, very important. Release all the energy with your thumb, some pressure into the palms. Massage each finger for about 1-2 seconds. Then the other arm, the armpit, upper arm, elbow, lower arm, wrist and your hands. Again, each finger. And your waist and your sitting muscles, your thighs, inside, outside. Your knees, your shin and your calves. And then give the most importance to the feet. So you can inhale and imagine that the energy is moving out to your soles, to your feet, into the ground. It's important to get grounded. Massage the outside of the feet with your thumb, massage your heels, your soles. Give some nice pressure, some nice massage. Inhale and ground yourself with the exhalation. Then massage each toe, starting from the small all the way up to the big toe. And keep your eyes still closed. Sit for a moment. And feel your body and the connection in your heart. Gentle smile on your lips. And whenever you feel ready, take a deep breath in. And with the exhalation, slowly and gently open your eyes. And as you come back, you still feel connected to your body, to your heart. You okay?
Perfect.
Thank you.
Amazing. Thank you so much.
Namaste.
Namaste.
If any question or reflection, feedback,
I really liked the
Humming.
new film. I think I've done a few times, but I forgot how it is, and I could feel the effect after. Like I was still very present. So
yeah, usually what I do when there's more time, then after the practice I let 5-10 minutes pass. You just stay with yourself and listen to the vibration after the practice.
Exactly. Super.
Yeah,
Thank you for sharing.
sometimes difficult to squeeze everything in. How did you feel? Because you don't meditate so often.
That was an interesting exercise. That was my face was like very warm and I could just feel the vibration afterwards.
And the goal is to breathe out very slow and long. Then you only need one breath. But you need to practice. And in the yogic text it is said when you practice this daily, at one point you will hear insects and drums and thunder and all kinds of sounds. And then you will hear a sound nobody plays, like a sacred sound. You will know when you hear the sound. And from this sound emanates a very brightish light. And when you enter this light, you reach the kingdom of God, Vaikuntha.
How long do you have to practice?
I don't know. Also in our day and age, it's very, very difficult because we're so distracted by all kinds of things. So, yeah, I think it's also just shows that it's very powerful, and you can go very deep if you practice this. You already is in my school group now. I have a school community where I also teach, and have a YouTube channel. You find this practice we did today on many videos, so you can check it out. There will be another session on Friday, I think. Tomorrow not. Need one day off.